Okay, greetings everyone. Welcome to Gerard Black in the Philippines with the Truth. I'm going to welcome you to my channel, all my subscribers, all my lovers, haters, peaches, triggers, commenters. Each and every one of you, I welcome you to my channel. And scallywags. Well, today I have a very special guest for you. She's been on my channel before. She's from San Carlos and she's coming down to give us a visit. And I'm going to let her introduce herself. Tell everybody your name.
I am Cheryl Abadjis from San Carlos, and I am managing the Sadja sa Resort.
What's the name of it?
Sadja sa Resort.
Resort. Okay. Okay. So, tell us a little bit about yourself, Cheryl.
Me, right now, I manage our own business, and I'm focusing on my work and my farm and my son. Yeah, that's it.
So, what things do you got going on there as a farm? Hold on a second. What kind of product does your farm produce when you say you have a farm?
Yeah, it was August this year. I cultivate my farm because it is almost 2 years. Um, the farm is not cultivated because I'm busy with other things, and I prioritize before because I worked before in Cebu for 8 months. So when I come back, I decided to cultivate the land and use it for the for planting again organic vegetables because the government encouraged me to uh, to push through the organic vegetables because they want me to be the representative of representative in next year project. It was government sending uh, one LGU unit or one person who is engaged in organic farming and for training in Taiwan.
Wow,
It was
Taiwan.
May
Wow.
2025. The LGU in charge in organic in San Carlos said to me that if I have passport, then I said yes, I have. But they say to me that they will decide it on November this month. I'm going to Bacolod on November 19 for uh, organic contest with my partner Elmer. Before before it was 3 years ago or 4 years ago. I forgot the year. But we joined, me and my partner Elmer, we joined contest in organic farming. Maybe we had a place that we were third place contest. That's all about organic, how uh, Philippine national, what do you call that one? PNS, organic for the PNS of the Philippines. Uh, it was uh, it was the code of the PNS that different organic uh, farming like pig and swine. They had uh, different law or PNS that will be used how to produce organic farming.
Now, we often hear the word organic. What do you mean by organic? I mean, what is organic?
Organic farming don't use synthetic fertilizer. It's used for uh, uh, compost of manure of the goats and pigs and use the silage from the other your farm to compose and become a fertilizer. And one of it is African netral, the 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 worm
Yeah.
that will eat the your your vegetables you put in the container or a tub, then you put it there, you put manure, then you put a small soil, then the African nutcracker will eat, then the poo or the what do you call that one,
The waste.
the waste of
Yeah.
the that will it will use as an organic fertilizer for the plant.
Okay, so what are just some of the things that we have to watch out for when we go to supermarket to buy vegetables and stuff like that? All that's not organic, right? I mean, what are some of the things they use?
The it will be the organic vegetables had to be undergo. There is a code that there's a agency that will put the label
The
in the
seal on it?
that there is organic.
Okay.
Yeah, like the code that is a certified organic, because you have to uh, go to the agency that will will test that it's true that you are producing organic vegetables.
Well, in the United States, we have the FDA,
Uh,
which is Food and Drug Administration. They are the overseers for everything that is consumed by by the people. Is there such agency like that here in the Philippines that kind of makes sure that everything that's being served is correct?
yeah, there's agency. There's different agency for the vegetables that will uh, test if that is purely organic. That not there's because there is a synthetic vegetables, and there's also a GAP vegetables.
Or what?
GAP,
Gap? What's a
gen-
gap vegetables?
genetic agricultural plant.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Now let's talk about you. You're single.
Yeah, I'm saying
Okay.
not double.
Okay. Okay. By choice. This is what you're happy. You're not looking for no one.
Yeah, I'm happy
So tell us
because
about relationships in the Philippines.
relationship in the Philippines had to if you enter in a relationship, you have to know the person first before you uh, go in a relationship. Don't use your heart, use your mind.
So do you think relationships happen too fast with men and women here in the
And
Philippines?
fast.
They don't
Too
what?
fast and fast.
Too-
Yeah,
okay, yeah.
yeah,
So, but see, my thought is that oftentimes when guys come here to the Philippines, if you got if you don't have in your heart, look for that one special person. Well, then you're going to be moving around, spreading your seed like Johnny Appleseed, notching yourself, to see how many girls you have. But then it's finding someone special. It takes a while. It's not something that
yeah.
happens. You really have to get to know the person.
Yeah, you have to know the person. Don't always depend on, oh, she's good man. I like that because he is like this, like that. But you didn't.
So, what do you look for in a man?
I'm looking for a man that is. We are in our future, and our plan is collide or in line, align. Yeah, because me as I am 43 now, so I need someone in my
43. Look
life.
at her. Wow,
Yeah,
43.
43,
Wow.
good looking.
Yeah. very
Oh,
good.
young.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm looking for a serious. No, I'm not looking for a man that will marry me immediately,
Right.
because marrying a person or marrying that person is not a guarantee that you will last forever.
Right.
Yeah, but you have to know the attitude, or to know the
Is there is there an age limit that
no,
you will consider?
no, it's not about age limit, but if you see that the person is number one is for me is he will love my son.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and And
Well,
I'm not.
which brings me to the question: how long do you think you have to date a man before you want him to meet your son, or do you want him to meet your son right away? I mean, say like me when in the States, if I was dating a woman who had a kid, I didn't want to meet that kid. I want to wait and first see if the relationship's going to work out before I come into a child's life. Because I know me, when I come into a child's life, I mean, I come into a child's life to want to stay. Even last well beyond the relationship might. But there's a certain waiting period I think that you should have before meeting a child of a woman.
Mm, yeah.
Do you think so?
For me is uh, for, I have experience before about I don't want my son to get hurt because of the what of our relationship uh, and it because the person um, he is comfortable being comfortable with the person and begin to love the person and and he is so sad because of what happened, but I told him that I cannot take it anymore because if I follow my son's like to that person and then I sacrifice my my own
Happiness.
happiness and I am being stressful because of that, so it's better that I talk to him. It's better that uh, I will give up in that because I cannot focus on my goal in farm and in in the swimming pool, the resort. So right now, I am not looking for a man or to have a relationship just because I'm sad and someone will comfort me and someone will be there for me. But I'm looking for the person that will be with me in the future. Yeah, understand me, respect me, and trust me. That's the thing I want.
Do you find it hard to trust a man?
Yeah, nowadays it's fine. It's really hard to trust a man, especially to what happened to my past relationship. Yeah, but
Do you think a lot of problems that occur are due to social media? With the dating apps and like this. Do you think that plays a part in gaining someone's trust or
yeah, especially when in social media in just chatting without seeing each other, just chatting. Then I experienced many are scammer. Yeah,
yeah?
that's it, and many are not telling that the truth, and sometimes you just um, uh, and I will tell them, yeah, and if it's true to me, then come to Philippines.
Right, right,
Yeah,
right,
come
right.
to Philippines if you are really serious with me, and after that being communicate for how many months, then it will be gone. And
Right,
it's
right,
okay. You will not invest feeling.
right,
You
right,
will
right,
not.
right.
If you come, you come, and if you want to see me, then make an effort.
Sure, sure.
Uh,
If you want to, yeah.
yeah, but I tell them that honestly, I tell them that I am not looking a man to go to his country
Right.
to work there and to earn money, but I'm looking a man to be with me in my country because I'm the eldest and I am the one who is manage the our business. My mother and father is had their illness, different illness. I am the eldest, so I'm the one who will be the leader of my siblings.
Right, right.
So that's it. Because of that sacrifice, not for my own good, but for my family. I'm not that kind of person that is selfish
Okay.
because I'm thinking for the future of my son for the future of my siblings and other family, that we if we go there in this business, I am the one who will be the, because I am the eldest, so I'm the one, if in the future, if our parents will be gone, I'm the one who will guide them the
Right, right,
right way,
right.
and how
Yeah.
to handle, or how to be, uh, that our business will be not broken. And because since from our elementary, or since from we're young, our mother, our parents invest, build that business with their own effort and and money for that business. So we had to continue from our generation to the next
Yeah,
generation.
yeah,
That's it.
yeah. Me and I had gone to the resort that her family owns, and we had a wonderful time there. I recommend that if you're in San Carlos to go to her resort. I'll put the name of it right here. Okay, but
And
you're
I have something also to tell,
okay. What?
that
You're pregnant?
no, I am. You know that I post and I have the training in tourism.
The what?
Trainings in tourism. When
Okay.
I wear yellow
Oh, okay.
in
Okay.
my profile,
Okay.
that training will add to our, exposure to our resort, because San Carlos is engaging, tourism to be boom.
Oh, okay.
Uh, and in Negros Occidental, or no, in whole Negros, San Carlos is the top two in tourism spot.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
So
Next to Dumaguete,
first,
of course.
yeah, first
Yeah.
Balay
Oh, okay.
in Negros
Okay.
Oriental.
Okay.
Yeah, and then second Negros. Then the agency, or the tourism department, encourage us to train our staff,
Right.
to train more, whatever the tourism, the LGU or tourism will ask a trainings, I will be the one to attend.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
and
Okay.
yeah,
Well, that's good. That's
then
good.
that's why this year I am repainting our resort. Then I add, things that will be, I right now I develop the water system.
Okay.
Yeah, well, it will be next week. The road will be cut and put another, hose for exclusive for only the pool,
Okay.
so
Okay.
that will not be, going to the other household to supply
Oh,
only for the pool.
oh, good. Good.
Yeah,
Good. Good.
to supply food. But the one problem is now for me, challenge, is because I lost internet connection there, because it's almost 6 months that, we don't have, piece of Wi-Fi
Yeah.
because of that trouble.
Yeah. I know.
That's why
When we were there, we had a little problem with the Wi-Fi
there
and all
is
that.
a piece of Wi-Fi that time.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but now no more.
Wow.
Yeah, but there
Wow.
is a connection, only for 6 gadgets, but many people will ask like that. So I need to, uh, uh, find a solution for that.
Okay.
But sooner or later, I believe that I can do it.
Okay. Good.
Not now, but maybe in how many
Okay,
years?
okay. You're traveling with your girlfriends. They went to the hotel and um, uh, tell us about your girlfriends. You mentioned their names, whatever.
They are we um, the four of them is my friend from Taiwan, and some, his name is Elsie, Emma, uh, Imelda, and the other one is no, no.
She's gonna be mad at you. Well, yeah. So
Uh,
very very nice girls. Very nice girls.
yeah, they I invited them uh, because of that, pulled.
Yeah, yeah.
Also, they're from Manila, Davao, and yeah, we're here for tour in Valencia.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it, this tour of mine will add to knowledge about how I can
Sure.
do a landscape like that because I'm focusing on travel. I focus on travel different beauty spot in
Okay.
Lagos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just looking at the greenery, the landscaping and
Yeah,
all this, to get
it will
ideas
add
for
to your
yourself.
knowledge.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. What advice would you give someone about following their dream and their goal?
Just always think what you are uh, your effort and don't always be thinking about negative that you cannot do it. Just believe what you are pray, uh, praying for, and
Hey, hey, hey. Okay.
all your dreams will be come true soon. Not now, but someday in God's perfect time you can achieve it. But don't just wait. Work hard for
Get
it.
out there and do it.
Do it and pray
Mm.
about it. But not all the not all the prayers that you want is to be
Answer.
to get answered
Yeah.
because me as my experience I have so many difficult moments or difficult times that I I find it hard for me to find a way a solution for all my what do you call this one, find a solution.
To all your situations,
Yeah, also
your
more my
all your
situation,
challenges.
challenges
Yeah.
in life as a mother, as a farmer.
Mhm.
Yeah, I have so
A
many difficult.
businesswoman. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. Okay, good.
I never think of it as a kanang, because I never think of it as
A burden.
a burden
Right.
to my life, but a challenge.
Challenge. Very good. Very
Yeah,
good.
challenge to my life. Because if someone is putting you down, that is my strongest weapon. Because yeah, I believe that if we, you should be not be judgmental to the person's status or the person had no capabilities of doing it because we have different talents in our life. Uh, you're an engineer now.
Okay.
You can be more and more. You can do it more in the future.
Okay. Okay, with that being said, this is Gerard Black of Philippines with Truth. Remember, dreams are nothing more than plans awaiting action. Never disrespect the elderly or fool someone up. And sometimes you're the only one to see your vision. And the best revenge in life is to live good. Are we living good today?
Yeah, I'm living.
And we hope you are too. If you're lucky enough to have a woman like Ali Woodson once sung, treat her like a lady. And ladies, if you're lucky enough to have a good man like me, make him feel like a king and never say no.
No.
Can we throw him a kiss, shirt? Thank you. Ciao.
Thank you for watching Gerard Black in the Philippines. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and ring the bell. I'm Cheryl Abadjis of Sadya Sabuki Resort in San Carlos. Come and visit. Bye-bye.